Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, Codex, a lightweight coding agent from OpenAI that runs directly in your terminal. This powerful Rust-based tool brings AI-assisted development right into the command line, offering a fast and integrated way to code without ever needing to switch to a graphical interface. Why would a developer choose a command line tool for AI coding, especially when powerful IDE integrations are so common? The answer comes down to a different philosophy. It's about treating the AI not just as an assistant, but as a composable, scriptable agent that lives right where many developers work fastest, the terminal. This is the core principle behind Codex, a lightweight coding agent from OpenAI. It aims to solve developer problems by bringing powerful AI capabilities directly into the command line workflow. The project's popularity is undeniable. It has accumulated over 91,000 stars on GitHub, with more than 250 added just today. And with over 13,000 forks, it's clear a significant part of the community is exploring ways to modify and extend it. The central problem Codex addresses is context switching. Developers who are used to terminal-centric workflows often have to leave their command line. They might need to search for syntax, debug code, or get advice on architecture. This constant shift between the terminal, a web browser, or a graphical app breaks concentration and slows down productivity. Before tools like this, the only solution was manual searching or relying on separate applications. The unique angle for Codex is its native integration. It allows developers to query, generate, and refactor code without ever leaving the terminal, keeping them in a state of flow. The project's design is a masterclass in pragmatic engineering, built on a hybrid architecture of Rust and Python. The core command line application is written in Rust, which delivers exceptional performance, memory safety, and easy cross-platform distribution. This Rust executable acts as a lean orchestrator. The real intelligence and extensibility, however, come from its skills system. Here, individual tasks like code review are implemented as Python scripts. This approach is brilliant. It leverages Python's vast ecosystem for AI and data science, which allows for the rapid development of complex features. These two languages communicate through a simple, yet robust mechanism. The Rust core launches a Python process for a specific skill. It passes context through standard input, usually formatted as JSON. The Python script then interacts with external services, like the OpenAI or GitHub APIs, and returns the result through its standard output. This design effectively isolates dependencies. It also prevents a buggy skill from crashing the entire agent. The use of the Bazel build system is also a telling choice, as it's designed to manage complex, multi-language projects just like this one, ensuring builds are always reproducible. So how is this used in the real world? A DevOps engineer might use Codex to generate a complex CI/CD configuration file on the fly. A backend developer could ask it to refactor a piece of code for better performance, all within their SSH session. For newcomers, it acts as an interactive learning tool, providing instant examples and explanations for shell commands or programming syntax. The barrier to entry is also remarkably low. Installation is handled by simple one-line scripts for Mac, Linux, and Windows, or through common package managers like NPM and Homebrew. It integrates directly with existing paid ChatGPT accounts, making it immediately accessible to a huge user base. Looking at community feedback, the general outlook is cautiously positive. Developers praise Codex for being a terminal-native agent that fits seamlessly into their shell workflows. They also appreciate its powerful understanding of large code bases. However, some valid concerns have been raised. The primary issues are about security, with command injection vulnerabilities being a highlighted risk. Other concerns include vendor lock-in to OpenAI's proprietary models and the privacy implications of sending sensitive code to the cloud. Beyond its surface-level features, the project presents deeper challenges. Its hybrid Rust and Python architecture, while powerful, also increases complexity. Debugging and maintenance across the language boundary can be difficult. The open-ended skills system, which is a core strength, is also a potential security weakness. Without robust sandboxing, running untrusted, community-provided skills could expose a user's entire system. Furthermore, its complete reliance on OpenAI's backend means its utility is tied to their API availability, policy changes, and pricing. This creates a significant risk of vendor lock-in. Ultimately, Codex is more than just another AI coding tool. It represents a fundamental shift towards an extensible framework for building and running automated development agents. Its true value lies not just in what it does out of the box, but in what it enables developers to build for themselves.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.